Okay, thought I'd continue my comic book doll collection of maybe $6 or $7 from comic books. And this is Black Canary. And yes, gasp, she's out of the box. I got this, I don't know, 15 years ago, almost 12 years ago or something. It's been a long time. It was one of the first like dolls I collected. And unfortunately, I was not smart in keeping her in the box. I had her on display for a while. She got really dusty and her hair got mangled from falling. And yeah, it's not as styled as it used to be. It used to be like really curly and styled, but sort of got flat over the years. But yes, this is Black Canary, and you know, she's very pretty. That's the back of her. Her black leather suit. They didn't do this in a recent portrayal of her. This would have been a really cute outfit for her to wear in the movie, but that's not what they went with. And these boots, which actually come off really easily. They're nice boots. And she's got a little zip-up jacket that I believe goes down a bit. No, don't try it. This jacket is sewn on. That zipper, I believe, does actually go down though, but it's not worth trying to take it off. And then she has like a, I want to say this is like pleather almost. It's kind of stretchy. Then she's got her dark makeup. And here's the box it came in. Black Canary. This was a Black Label doll. I recently just did the X-Men, but she's a DC Comics, obviously. And yeah, and I love their little 3D boxes, like a little cityscape in the background. Just gonna run into Batgirl soon. And yeah, that is Black Canary. I love these little glove details, and they did these on the new X-Men one too, where they have a sleeve, but they simply paint the hand black. So, and these are very articulated, so she was really meant to be displayed. Like she can, like her, you know, she can be have different movements, especially in her hands. Like her shoulder, elbow, everything is well articulated. So yeah, that's Black Canary. Really pretty. Should have taken out the box, but can't undo that now.